1 hour of crappy labor. That's going to be 2 kisses. All right, payment due. Payment received.
Payment paid.
All right, you turn that off. Your tulips look good. You got a yellow one growing.
I know, it's short, but yes, I do.
Bird feather. They show up, orange and black. It's pretty cool. Now before, it lasted several hours, like pretty much half the day, so I don't know if I'll keep doing these small fir boughs, if it's going to, every 10 minutes, break a shear bolt. So here's half our shear bolt, and here's the other half. And then I'm saving the nut and the washer, so when I buy new bolts, I don't have to get the whole set. Okay, next up is to limb up this tree, which hangs over, well, I'll show you, hangs over into the field. So, just needs to be limbed up. The other tree next to it needs to go as well, but that's going to be for another day.
My jeans are torn, sweat coming through my shirt, keep pushing even though it hurts. I'm chasing what I know is true, there's nothing that I would not do. When everyone around me drops, I'm never gonna ever stop. I won't waste another minute, no I won't. I'm a man on a mission, I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man on a mission. Taking standing in my way. It ain't gonna be your day. Oh, bleeding till I own this dream. Build it like you've never seen. Even at the mountaintop, I'm never gonna ever stop. I won't wait another minute, no, I won't. I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. Wait another minute, no, I won't. I won't wait another minute, no, I won't. I won't wait another minute, no, I won't. Yeah. I won't wait another minute, no, I won't. I'm a man on a mission.
Alright, I'm back.
I'm a man on a mission.
Got the battery charged. As soon as they make these GoPros operate on good looks and hard work, we'll be set. In any case, Lisa's volunteering at the county fair this week, so I'm just getting a lot of work done. So just an update, we've got the side-by-side getting full of wood chips for Lisa. She was super happy about that last night, so it's always nice. She comes home and she's happy. That may have come out wrong. Not that she normally comes home not happy. And this chipper is working really good. So what I've done, oh, you're going to get dizzy. Sorry. I've got a pile up there with some fir boughs and chips. And then I've got another one right here, fir boughs and chips. So I think we're doing good. Oh, they're everywhere. I've got a bunch up there that we need to get done. And that's all that I'll do for the summer before we head off to a major new summer project that we're super excited to share. We're just waiting for the right time to do it and trying to figure out a really cool way to do it. So there's that for you. And I got to get back to work. If you just pull down here, Lisa's home. So Laria's excited. It's okay.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. We're going to start your haircuts.
You can say hi to everybody too.
Say hi to everybody.
Oh, she thinks I'm crazy. Don't you see all the people?
Hello.
That's a good girl. Okay. Lots of inventions while you're gone.
I can see that.
Lisa's back from volunteering with the fair. So here's what I got going on.
Okay.
We got a couple inventions.
Okay.
But you know me. So we'll start with the closest one. So hopefully the idea is I can use the pallet to move the snowblower around. Because I want it where the backhoe is now.
Yes.
But if I have to hook it up and drop it and hook up the backhoe and drop it to hook up the snowblower to drop it to hook up the backhoe, that's a lot of dropping and picking.
All right.
And then the trailer up there
Uh-huh.
is going to be our dump trailer. So instead of buying a thing for like $4,000 or whatever it is,
Uh-huh.
we're going to use, remember those 2x12s I found for 70% off?
Okay.
That means she doesn't remember. That's code for I have. You did? So anyway, I did. And I got them because they're 70% off and they're 2x12s.
Wowza.
Brilliant, huh?
Brilliant. It kind of all went over my head, but I'm sure you've got it mastered.
So I got all the chipping done. See all your chips?
It's a beautiful pile.
Aren't those beautiful?
I'm so excited.
That's a big pile of chips.
I can finish the greenhouse.
What's going on?
I'm planting dahlias.
Dahlias? How many have you got planted?
Well,
It was snowing earlier. You may have noticed.
Yeah, just a little bit. My count said 4. No, my count said 3, but that meant 3 packages. So now I'm on 16 plants.
Yeah. How many do you have total?
16.
So you're done.
I'm covering my last one.
We should do the happy dance.
I'm a little sore and stiff, and I don't know if I can get up.
County Fair did you in, huh? So I got the Backhoe one.
I see that. That's excellent.
Feels solid. I'm going to go test it.
Okay.
I picked up my blue ribbon honey.
Excellent.
And I got some wood next. I'm just going to test that a little bit.
Okay.
And then once I'm happy with it, then I'm going to start on the trailer.
Trailer. Okay.
I think that's all I got. Did that kid come out and spray? It looks like I see tracks.
Yeah, I missed him too. He came through, and then on the second pass, on the more inside. So he started on the outside, and it was an older guy. It wasn't the young guy.
There's a guy that leases the field next to us. So we need to get his phone number and find out what he's spraying. We're just concerned about the bees, not that it would make any difference because it's already done. But there's no flowers in the field, is my hope that we'll be okay. And it's a cold, rainy, snowy, windy day. So all the bees should be inside anyway, so hopefully it works out. Your tulips look good. You got a yellow one growing.
I know, it's short.
Look at that. A little chewy there. And then we got a red one right here. Nice job, Lisa. It looked good.
Beautiful.
We can use a shovel to actually dig it out.
Okay.
Is that deep enough?
Yeah, it looks like a good 12, 18 inches.
So will that take the hard work out of digging the actual in the clay? It's
Yeah.
so solid.
Yeah.
Okay. So here's what we're doing. Lisa needs to plant her peonies. Peonies? I think I said that right. So this hard clay with a shovel, we could do it, but we got cool toys. So why not use them to make life a little easier? So we'll loosen it up. This is the game plan. We're going to loosen up the dirt in each of these holes, and we'll use a shovel to take the dirt out so I don't make a huge mess. Because this is only my second time using this. Second set. Third set. I did over there, and then we put that, and then this one. So I'm a professional now.
We're planting 9 peony plants.
I gotta dig 9 of these holes?
Yep.
That's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Is that all you got?
At the moment.
Alright,
I'm gonna go get your lunch.
let's dig some holes.